What's going on, everyone? Destin here, back at it again with another Switch review video. I wanted to take a second to give many thanks to all of you who have shown constant support throughout the times. You are all the real MVPs, and words cannot express my gratitudes. Kicking things back on track, today we'll be reviewing the Cream Latte linear switches from HMX, with 10 switches in a pack, with each pack costing $3.50. Manufactured by HMX with a new mold. These switches contain a T2 stem, PA12 top housing, P5 bottom housing, with a KOS single stage extended spring. These do come factory lubed with a mix of GPL 105 and 205 on the leaf springs, stem feet, and bottom housing rails. These switches operate at 45 grams and bottom out at 53 grams, the pre-travel distance of 2.0 millimeters, and the total travel of 3.5 millimeters. Most switches that review being cherry style, we'll go ahead and use the cherry style switch opener. Catch a closer look of each component more closely. First up being our PA12 top housing in a nice creamy white color. A T2 stem in a nice light blue color with factory lube on the stem feet. KOS single stage extended spring that I've come to know and love. And lastly, our P5 bottom housing, consisting of a nice coffee brown. Taking a closer look at these switches, they definitely scream cream latte. Creamy white top housing, coffee brown bottom housing, that comes as a 5-pin PCB mount switch. Let's take a listen. Hey, someone call trolls and get Poppy. We'll take a look into the tolerances, as these new HMX cream lattes do come with the new molds. As for a vertical and a horizontal wobble, not really much happening here. To me, these switches felt a little loose when housed in, so I'm not sure if we'll be able to go plateless with these. Up next, we'll check the thickness of the stems by placing a keycap, as some switches that I have cause keycaps to randomly just pop off. And I know it's not the keycaps, because I'll try a different set, and the same thing happens. Which leaves me to believe the stems could be slightly thinner. But so far for the cream lattes, that does not seem to be the case. We'll go ahead and take a listen to how a single switch sounds with keycaps on. Thinking about what I have in my inventory for switches, we have the Serene Greens, Hibiscus, and Cheese, all linear switches coming from HMX, to try to compare the sounds. Let's take a listen. With comparisons out the way, we'll toss them in the Neo 75 CU, no foams, carbon fiber plate, and the much loved Kikobo Soju. Let's take a listen. What are your thoughts on the cream lattes? Let me know down below.